Are you ready to build a secure future with real-world, hands-on tech skills? Do you dream of doing what you love and earning a great living from it? Your search ends here. It's time to make the smart move to Glitec Advanced School of Technology. Admissions are now open, and GAST is more than just a school. It's a community where industry professionals train you using state-of-the-art equipment. We offer a premium learning experience to give you the competitive edge you need in today's tech-driven world. Our classrooms, labs, and workshops are fully equipped, and our campus is cozy and serene. But what truly sets us apart? We don't just train you and say goodbye. We connect you to our industrial network, both locally and abroad, for employment. Our top students even get direct opportunities to work with us, launching their careers before they even graduate. Don't wait. Slots are filling up fast, especially with our amazing scholarship programs in auto mechanics, solar technology, and ICT. Apply now and be part of something extraordinary. Call us 2347078116598 or visit our website at www.glitecast.com. At GAST, your skills create your future. Follow us for more update on YouTube at Glitecast and Glitec Advanced School of Technology on Facebook. Don't miss out.